guys, today I'm going to do a fidget haul of what I did earlier today, so let's just get into that. So I have this Rubik's Cube, which I think is like an infinity cube, but not exactly infinity cube. But this gets a 9 out of 10. I didn't get this today. Okay, so we got these with slimes. We're going to start from my least favorite mochi. This red cat one, I was not going to get the purple one. I was like, no, I want the red cat mochi because I really wanted the purple slime. It's like, I'll just do it. Then I got this one with my blue slime. They're all clear. Not all of them. Like, the slimes are clear. And then I have this one, which I got from a clear pink slime. It's like a clear blue one. The last one was actually clear. So then I'm going to show you guys this slime. This was with my last one. And yes, I'll test it out. That's good clicking. Then let's do purple. I'm not doing the slimes for my least favorite. I'm just doing them. And then the blue one is my biggest one. The blue is prettiest in color, which is the worst in pumpkin. So I'm going to do this neon butter slimy gloop, which is not that slimy. It's pretty good. And I need to grab my bin I store my fidgets in. It's really good. Then I'll move the bin. Which I have one more slime to review. Which is this slimy bears, which I put in the gummy bears. But I did that off camera because I'm just doing the haul. And I'm going to show you all the different colors. There's a clear. Then there's red, green, orange, and yellow. Now, so I have one more item to review. I might actually review the slime that I mixed too. That's right, guys. I was just used to posting on TikTok. Go and check me out on TikTok. It's ManaRose19 on TikTok. This isn't actually all that I got. This is just my fidgets that I got. So I got this. So let's do this ball. If you have these, they can actually come out. But I had to cut mine a little to get it back in. I'm also going to review this. I got this slime from a place where you buy wand stuff. I got the clear, the green, and the teal. Then I just mixed them up a couple of weeks ago, last week. So now I'm actually, oh yeah, I forgot to rate the last ones. Okay, so I'm going to rate this purple slime in 10 out of 10. Same with the other two. Then the butter slime, a 10 out of 10. Then the gummy bear slime, definitely a 9 out of 10. Then this, a 60 out of 10. I also have one more fidget, which I'm just going to hang off my fidget box. Then this, all together, I'm giving this an 8 out of 10. Because the color, and this is down 2 points. And also one more thing that is not really a fidget, but I consider it a fidget. Well, it's my fidget helper, actually. It's like this little wristband. It's so cute. I'm just going to go for it. So the comments are shut off. Comment on my last TikTok video. Do you know it was Mana Rose 19? I'm just playing with this. But actually, for my next fidget videos, I'm going to call this an Infinity Cube because I'm probably going to. Then we'll probably flop. So I'm probably going to take off the Rubik's ticker. Oh, I'm kind of thirsty. If you want to know where I got my slime with the mochis, this slime, the Rubik's Cube, the butter slime, and this dude at Five Below in slime. I also got this cup from here. They also had a flamingo one, which I got the unicorn one. Didn't really find actual fidgets though. Just stuff inspired by fidgets, so. Oh yeah! And this video is also where I organize my fidgets. So first I start with my bigger slime. My least. Actually, I'm going to put one in last. Then the tiny ones, I'm just going to like pile, sort of. So there. Then I'm going to do the Rubik's Cube. And then this. There's also, they're probably going to do a restock, but there was only one more left out. There's this one. I'm just going to put the mochis on the blue slime. And then I'm going to put in the bigger slime. Because I actually am going to get fidgets off of Amazon. So, yeah, I'm also going to do a little haul right now. So, let's get started into the haul. We already saw my cup. Just jumped off my phone bed. So, for the haul. So I'm going to show you first item. Which are these adorable plants. It came with pink, the gray, and the teal. So yeah, that's one item. Well, actually, my second item. And then I got this water bottle. These amazing children. There's Posto. And that was guys all. For today's video, make sure you like and subscribe.